Takyal Pata Laiba, Manipur Science Centre, the numit humni chathagadaba Innotech Fest, English ngani kunmanga ngasidagi houdokhre. Innotech Fest adu the school gi mahairoi singi yauna tongan by stall kunmarpan hangduna makoina puthokchaba polam sing utke. Department of Science and Technology na sinduna chathagadaba Fest houdokpa aduda Assistant Chief Secretary Bibek Kumar Diwangan, Directorate of Information Technology gi Secretary T.S. Kiran Kumar Nyalit Akampat ki Executive Director Professor Yumram Zayenta, Science and Technology ki Secretary Kengu Juringla Amade, Science and Technology ki Director C.S. Sachina, Thorom ki Maru Oiba Mitunglen Oina Sarugyaki, Thorom Aduda Mari Lainaba, Assistant Chief Secretary Bibek Kumar Diwangan na hai numit humni chathagadaba Fest Innotech asida makoina puthorakiba potlam sing adoki matik thaganingai oi makoina puthorakliba potlam sing asi lamdam asigi khakta natana malemda achoba kanaba piba ngamgani makoibu hena pukning thogatuna mai pakpat tawhallabadi lamdam asigi achoba kanaba oigani hairaduna makoina puthokliba potlam sing atopa leibak singda thadok thajin tawnaba honabada angamba mateng tawgani haiba wafam thamke.
Government of India gives them support for this, after submission of proof of concept. Thereafter, for commercialization also, we need to give them support. I hope that we have huge talent available in Manipur. We need to nurture them and so that they can grow to their true potential.
Okay, sir.
That's what, when I was interacting with them, I realized that this, I had asked them for processed food, this FSSAI certification is required and some trademark registration. For that, we'll be working with the Department of Trade and Commerce Industry to facilitate this certification and as well as marketing. And we have logistic problem for selling the product outside Manipur. For that also, some logistic hub is being invested by Department of Trade and Commerce Industry.